kababayan, here we go. We are going to Red Sand now. Today is what day today?
Friday, man.
Today is Friday. It's 27th of the July. Yeah. So it's just happened that the American freedom is already finished at July 4, right?
What's up?
Yeah. So now we are here at the car. You should see we are in the car, right?
Right.
Here we go. I have some company here. This Bamber, Yong Antonio Rivera, and one of the
Baby
one of
James.
the Apo Hiking Society. Buboy. And Mr. Joey Mr. Richard Rosella at the back. And these are some of our companies.
Yes.
Company B. Just hey, just say hi. Hello.
Hello.
Mapi.
Isang sulyap man lang.
Aris, magsalita ka nga. Hi.
Kompleto ang LC4.
LC4. Di nyo sinama si Bashir eh, patay tayo sa inyo.
Baka mamaya nandun yun.
Oo nga no, kumpleto kami pre.
Kompleto kayo?
Oo. Yung Masri lang at saka yung si Bashir. So,